Collision Repair Magazine is the authoritative voice of the Canadian collision repair industry. Our mission is to reinforce the standards and excellence of the industry by addressing key challenges, issues, and innovation. Our latest readership study bears this out. In a recent March 2017 survey conducted by IAOP Market Research, Collision Repair Magazine ranked as the top magazine serving the industry and was selected as the preferred magazine by a whopping 80% of readers. In the same study, Collision Repair Magazine was considered to best represent the industry by 79%, with 78% reading every issue cover to cover. Who are our readers? They are decision makers, influencers, and more than 6,500 repairers, along with manufacturers, insurers, educators, and other industry stakeholders. Collision Repair Magazine is committed to being accountable to our advertisers and readers. Thus, we've invested in regular audits by Canadian Media Circulation Audit during the course of our 16 years of publication. Building and sustaining our earned reputation with our readers is our promise and our commitment. We are Collision Repair Magazine, the choice of Canada's collision repair industry.